Welcome to section 6.1, the genome. In this section, we'll explore how genetic information is organized, from entire genomes down to individual traits. By the end of this section, you should be able to describe the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic genomes and distinguish between chromosomes, genes, and traits. A genome is the complete set of genetic instructions for an organism. In prokaryotes, it's typically a single circular DNA molecule in the nucleoid region. In eukaryotes, it's multiple linear DNA molecules packaged as chromosomes inside the nucleus. Chromosomes are long DNA molecules wrapped around proteins. Humans have 46 chromosomes in somatic cells, organized in 23 pairs. Gametes, or the sex cells, carry just one set of 23. This ensures that offspring inherit one set from each parent. Genes are segments of DNA located on chromosomes. They code for proteins, which determine traits. For example, the genes for human leukocyte antigen, or HLA proteins, are found on chromosome 6 and help the immune system recognize infections. Traits are observable characteristics determined by genes. Homologous chromosomes carry the same genes at the same loci, but the versions, or alleles, can differ. A gene is the slot on the chromosome, and an allele is the specific version that fills that slot. This variation explains why traits like height, eye color, and blood type differ among individuals. Blood type is a clear example of inheritance. The A, B, and O alleles determine which antigens appear on red blood cells. Remember, an allele is a version of a gene. An antigen is any molecule that can be recognized by the immune system. In humans, antigens often appear on the surface of cells, like the A and B antigens on red blood cells. They trigger an immune response because the body can distinguish self-antigens from foreign ones. We inherit one copy of each gene from each parent. AA or AO genotypes result in blood type A. BB or BO result in blood type B. AB leads to blood type AB, and OO produces type O. O is the absence of an antigen. Let's analyze this pedigree chart. Person 5 must be blood type A, since their child, person 7, is AB. That means person 5 passed along the A allele, while person 6 passed the B allele. This shows how genotypes determine phenotypes across generations. Let's bring everything together. A genome contains all the instructions needed to build and maintain life, but its organization looks different in different organisms. Simple and circular in prokaryotes, complex and linear in eukaryotes. Chromosomes carry genes, and genes are blueprints for proteins. Proteins then shape traits, from physical features to biological functions. The reason traits vary so widely is because alleles, different versions of the same gene, create diversity within populations. Finally, inheritance ties it all together, as parents pass on chromosomes to their offspring, ensuring both continuity of life and variation that drives evolution.